Here's a bit of advice based on my own experiences. By the time you hit 60, it's time to stop climbing ladders. But the question arises, how do you do all the work up there from down here in safety? Well, this is a great start. It's a telescopic handle and it comes with a range of different fittings that just slide in. For starters, this is a branch hook designed to fit into the telescopic handle to enable you to grip branches in the canopy or shake fruit from a tree, or even pull them down so you can grab them. Need to clear some fallen branches off the roof? No need for a ladder. The 4-metre reach vario pole with the branch hook attachment makes it quick, easy and safe to do the job. Now this hook is pretty handy for pulling things down, but you can also use it for putting things up. So I have in mind to use it this Christmas to put all the decorations and lights around the cubby house. What do you reckon? Other tools that can be used at the end of these telescopic long reach handles include the power cut pruning saw. This is a beautifully engineered saw with a highly aggressive cutting blade which saws through live branches as if they were butter. Then there's this professional tree lopper which just slots into the end of the stem. Now you can use this with a cord and that will open up the jaws, and they're very powerful and sharp. So I'm going to use it to clear these branches from my light. Talking safety, this is the personal protective gear you need to wear when operating high up from the ground. These tools come with a lifetime guarantee. That's right, a lifetime. And that speaks to me of high quality German engineering and manufacturing. These are the sort of tools that you pass down to the next generation of gardeners in your family. Contact your local WOLF-Garten dealer today or shop online.